In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Thunder VPN app notifications. If you're getting distracted by notifications or alerts from Thunder VPN, the best thing to fix this is to go ahead and put an end to this. To do this is quite simple. Just follow these steps. Now, to achieve this, we need to go ahead and access the app info page. For this, just go ahead and long press on your app and then choose this option, app info. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Go to the permissions section and look for notifications. Here you can see we have various types of notifications turned on. Among them are permanent notifications, vibrations, play sounds, lock screen notifications, as well as floating notifications. Turn them off instead of turning one by one here. Just go ahead and turn off show notifications by tapping on it to toggle it off. This will go ahead and disable all the other types of notifications. So from now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications from this app unless you go ahead and turn them on. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.